Strength isn't built in a day. Discipline doesn't happen overnight. It's the grind, the repetition, the quiet choice to show up, even when no one's watching. At Mangangalam University, we don't just play sports, we shape warriors. Champions aren't born, they are made on the court, on the field, in the fire of competition. From sunrise rallies on the badminton court to high-flying dunks on the basketball court, from fierce volleyball spikes and lawn tennis serves to lightning-fast football footwork and cricket shots echoing under the sun, you'll find energy in every corner. Pickleball rallies, kabaddi dives, the silent fight of a frisbee, the laser focus of archery. Because every game here teaches something about grit, about discipline, about who you are when it's tough. When the lights go down outside, the game continues within. Billiards, chess, carom, table tennis, foosball, where reflex meets strategy, where minds are sharpened. Mangangalam isn't just a university with sports facilities. It's a training ground for life, where resilience is forged, where passion meets purpose, where players become leaders. This is